Dear student, good morning to all of you in my online maths video class. Today we will discuss some question related to the exercise 7.3. In our last video class, we discussed some question whatever asked in board examination also of exercise 7.2. Here the first question of exercise 7.3 is question number second of the second, that is 8a minus 5b upon 8c minus 5d is equal to 8a plus 5b upon 8c plus 5d, and we have to prove that a by b is equal to c by d, and this is the question which is asked in year 2008. Now let us see the process of solution. Here given 8a minus 5b upon 8c minus 5d is equal to 8a plus 5b upon 8c plus 5d. Now we just use the concept of alternando. A by b is equal to c by d. According to alternando, the c will be here and the b will be this place. Okay, use this concept. It will be 8a minus 5b upon 8a plus 5b, and this will be here, that is 8c minus 5b, 8c minus 5d upon 8c plus 5d. Okay, by alternando. Now we use the method of componendo and dividendo. Here what is the componendo and dividendo? If a by b is equal to c by d, then by componendo and dividendo rule it will be a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus b. Use this concept for solve. The next step, it will be 8a minus 5b. Let this is a, then a plus b means plus this 8a plus 5b, and here upon 8a minus 5b minus 8a minus plus 5b, and here it will be 8c minus 5d plus 8c plus 5d whole upon 8c plus 5d minus 8c minus 5d minus this 8c plus 5d. Okay, now if we remove the bracket, then it will be 8a minus 5b, 8a minus 5b plus 8a plus 5b here, 8a minus 5b, and sign will be changed, minus 8a minus 5b equal to 8c minus 5b plus 8c plus 5d, and here 8c minus 5d minus 8c minus 5d. Okay, now here 5b minus 5b plus 5b cancel, again minus 8a plus 8a cancel, here 8a and 8a will be equal to 16a upon minus 5b minus 5b minus 10b. Similarly here 5b cancel and 8c minus 8c cancel. Again here will be 16c upon minus 10d. Okay, now see here, it will be minus 16a upon 10b equal to minus 16c upon 10d. Now this cancel, minus cancel here, and this implies that a by b is equal to c by d. Okay, This is the proof. Now we can write here proved. Okay. Now let us see one more question, that is here question number 10.4. Question number 10.4. Question number 10 and part 4. What is the question? The question is under root 5x plus under root 2x minus 6 whole upon under root 5x minus under root 2x minus 6 is equal to 4. We have to find the value of x. Here also again we use the method of componendo and dividendo. Here 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Now by componendo and dividendo rule. Okay, what we can write? According to componendo and dividendo rule, a upon b is equal to c by d is given, then it will be a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d. Remember this. This equal to a plus b means 5 under root 5x plus under root 2x minus 6. A plus b means again under root 5x minus under root 2x minus 6. Means this plus this whole upon this minus this. Under root 5x plus under root 2x minus 6 minus a plus b and a minus b. So let this is a and this is b. We take this like a and this as b, then a plus b, a minus b. Now a is this and the minus b means under root 5x minus under root 2x minus 6. Okay, and here the right hand side, that is 4 by 1, then it can be written as 4 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1. After that, if we remove the bracket, then here the plus sign, no change. Now here minus sign, this will be minus, but then this will be plus. This will be the next step. Now here this and this will be cancelled because the same value in plus sign and minus sign. Similarly this and this also. Then this plus this under root 5x plus under root 5x is equal to 2 under root 5x upon 2 into under root 2x minus 6 is equal to 4 and 1 5. 4 and 1 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Again 2 and 2 cancel. Let us square this. Square. Then under root 5x will be 5x. And square of this 2x minus 6. We are used by componendo and dividing. Okay. Is equal to 25 by 9. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay. Now cross multiplication. Here 5x into 25 is equal to 2x minus 6. 9 into 2x minus 6. Okay. The next step, 25 5 is 125x is equal to 18x minus 9 into 6. 54. That will be 54. After that, here 125x minus 18x. 18x is equal to minus 54. Here it is negative, it means there is some problem. Where is the mistake? Mistake is here. Wait. Here 25 will be multiplied by this multiplied by 25 and this multiplied by 9. This is the mistake. Here. Now let us proceed the next step. What is the next step? That is 45x is equal to 50x minus 150. Then transfer this to this side, it will be 150 equal to 50x minus 45x. Then 50x minus 45 is equal to 5x 150. This implies that x is equal to 150 by 5, which is 5 3s are, means x is equal to 30. The value of x will be 30 and this is the answer of the question. Similarly, in all the question of 10, we use the componendo and dividendo to find the value of x here. Similarly, in question number 11, second, which is asked in 2018, that is 2x plus under root 4x square minus 1 upon 2x minus 4x square minus 1 is equal to 4. Again it will be 4 by 1. Using componendo dividendo rule you can solve this, and some more questions are there. I will give the PDF of that question. Okay, and in our next video class we will discuss about the next topic, that is the matrices. Thank you.